Welcome back. In the last class, we have derived the distance between the point x1, y1 to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And we got the formula, that is d is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. And also we derived the distance between two parallel lines, that is, if the two parallel lines are in the form of ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0, then distance between these two parallel lines is given by modulus of c1 minus c2 or c2 minus c1 divided by root of a square plus b square. Suppose if the lines are in the form of y is equal to mx plus c1 and y is equal to mx plus c2, then the distance between these two parallel lines is given by modulus of c1 minus c2 or c2 minus c1 divided by coefficient square of x plus coefficient square of y. What is coefficient of x? M square. What is the coefficient of y? 1 square. Okay, and now in this video we are going to solve the examples on these two concepts, and these examples are from exercise 10.3. Okay, let's solve the examples now. First one, find the distance of a point 2, 3 from the line 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. ಸೊ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೀತಿಯಾಗೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಲೈಟ್ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟು ದ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್. Distance of a point is nothing but it is the length of the perpendicular from the point to the line. So given line is 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. And given point is 2, 3, which is taken as x1, y1. What is x1? 2. What is y1? That is 3. So write the formula first. That is d is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. So ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? That is d is equal to modulus of, what is a given line? Given line is 3x plus 4y plus 5. ನೀವಿನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ? ಗಿವನ್ ಲೈನನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3x ಅದ, ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ x1, 3x1 plus 4y1 plus 5. Okay, 3x1 plus 4y1 plus 5 divided by root of, what is the coefficient of x here? 3. What is the coefficient of y? That is 4. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? a square plus b square. Okay, so d is equal to modulus of 3 into, what is x1? That is 2 plus 4 into, what is y1? Which is 3. Substitute it, that is divided by root of 9 plus 16. So d is equal to modulus of 3 into 2 is 6, 4 into 3 is 12 plus 5 divided by root 25. So that is d is equal to 18 plus 5 is modulus of 23 divided by 5, and we know that mod of any real number is always positive, so 23 by 5 unit. Okay, next example, find the distance of the point 3 minus 5 from the line 3x minus 4y minus 26 is equal to 0. So write the given data, that is given line and given point. So line ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಿ, point ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಿ, and next write the formula for, and we have d is equal to, so d is equal to modulus of, mod first ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, so given line is 3x minus 4y minus 26. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? 3x1 minus 4y1 minus 26 divided by root of coefficient square of x, that is 3 square. What is a here? 3. What is b here? Minus 4. 3 square plus minus 4 square. So d is equal to mod of, what is x1? 3. What is y1? Minus 5 minus 26 divided by 9 plus 16. So D is equal to mod of 9 plus 20 minus 26 divided by root 25. D is equal to mod of 29 minus 26 divided by 5. Therefore, D is equal to mod of 3 divided by 5. So, which is equal to modulus of any real number is always positive. Therefore, 3 by 5 unit. Okay. Next example. Find the length of the perpendicular drawn from the point 2 comma minus 3 upon the line 3x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. So write the given data, that is given line and given point, and next write the formula. So next is mod of modulus barkothiriye. So given line is 3x other 4y minus 7, where a is 3 and b is 4. Okay, coefficient of x is 3, which is a, capital A, and coefficient of y is 4, which is capital B. Okay, so mod of 3x1 plus 4y1 minus 7 divided by root of a square plus b square. So that is, put x1 is 2 and y1 is minus 3 in the given line. 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 3 minus 7 divided by root of 3 square plus 4 square, which is equal to mod of 6 minus 12 minus 7 divided by root 25. That is, modulus of 6 minus 12 is minus 6. Minus 6 minus 7 is minus 13 divided by root 25. And mod of any real number is always positive. So my mod of minus 13 is 13 only divided by 5 unit. Next example. Find the distance of the point minus 1 comma 1 from the line 12 into x plus 6 is equal to 5 into y minus 2. So given point is minus 1 comma 1, which is x1 y1, and the given line is 12 into x plus 6, which is equal to 5 into y minus 2. Simplify it and bring it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. 12 into x is 12x plus 12 into 6 is 72, which is equal to 5y minus 10. So 12x minus 5y plus 72 plus 10 is plus 82, which is equal to 0. In this equation, what is the coefficient of x, which is a, that is 12, and what is the coefficient of y, that is minus 5, b is equal to minus 5. And the distance of a point from a line is given by formula, that is d is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. So that is given by d is equal to mod anta barkondu equation anna barkothiri 12 into x1 minus 5 into y1 plus 82 divided by root of 12 square plus minus 5 whole square. Okay, so that is equal to mod of 12 into x1 another minus 1 other minus 5 into y1 another 1 other plus 82 divided by root of 12 square minus 5 whole square is nothing but minus 5 square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ minus square positive, so 5 square. So ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಾರ. So which is equal to modulus of 12 into minus 1 is minus 12, minus 5 into 1 is minus 5, plus 82 divided by root of 12 square is 144 and minus 5 square nothing but ಇದನ್ನು minus 5 square ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So which is equal to 25. So this is 12 minus 12 minus 5 is minus 17 plus 82 is 65. So mod of 65 divided by root of 169, which is a perfect square number, and we know that root of 169 is 13. So mod of 65 is 65 and root of 169 is 13. 13 ones are 13 5s are, which is equal to 5 unit. So next example, that is, find the points on x-axis whose distance from the line x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1 is 4 in it. So we have to find the point on x-axis. So point on x-axis means we know that any point on x-axis is of the form x comma 0. So whose distance from the line x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1 is 4 unit. The distance from the point to the line is 4 unit. D is 4 unit. Given line is x by 3 plus 5 by 4 is equal to 1. And we are going to find the points on x-axis. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಾಗ ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮ 0. ವಾಯ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲಿರುವಂಥ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಾಗ ಇರ್ತಾವ 0 ಕಾಮ ವೈ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮ 0. ವಾಯ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲಿರುವಂಥ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸು 0 ಕಾಮ ವೈ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ whose distance from the line is 4 units. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ x1 y1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾವ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮಾ 0. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಲೈನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. So let p is equal to x comma 0 be the point on x-axis and the given line is x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. So simplify it and bring it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So take the LCM of denominator and LCM of denominator is 12. So that 3 into 4 and 4 into 3. So 4x plus 3y divided by 12 is equal to 1. So denominator right side hodre 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. Therefore 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Where a is, what is a? 4, and what is b? That is 3. And also it is given distance is 4 units, which is d is 4 units. Therefore write the formula, that is the distance is 4 unit. Okay, so line anna barkotiri, that is 4x1. Okay, distance is 4 unit, which is equal to line, that line is 4x1 plus 3y1 minus 12 divided by root of 4 square plus 3 square. So that is 4 is equal to, what is x1 y1? x1 y1 is, x1 is x, y1 is 0. Okay, so this is the point, x1 is x and y1 is 0. Therefore substitute it, x1 is x, y1 is 0. Therefore 4x plus 3 into 0 minus 12 divided by root of 4 square plus 3 square. So 4 is equal to mod of 4x, 3 into 0 is 0. 4x minus 12 divided by root of 16 plus 9. So 4 is equal to modulus of 4x minus 12 divided by root 25. So 4 is equal to modulus of 4x minus 12 is equal 12 divided by root 25 is 5. ಈ denominator term ಅನ್ನು left side ತಗೊಂಡೋದ್ರೆ we'll get to 20 is equal to modulus of 4x minus 12. So that is, so mod ಅನ್ನು remove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we have two possibilities. Okay, if we remove this mod, we'll have two possibilities, either it is plus or minus. So plus or minus 20, which is equal to 4x minus 12. Mod remove madidri. Okay, mod remove madidri. Therefore, we have two possibilities. Either it is plus 20 or minus 20. That is equal to 4x minus 12. So 4x minus 12 is equal to 20 and 4x minus 12 is equal to minus 20. 4x is equal to minus 12 will come to right side, so that it is plus 12. 20 plus 12 is 32. 4 ones are 4 8s are, therefore we get x is equal to 8. And 4x minus 12 is equal to minus 20. 4x is equal to minus 20 plus 12, that is minus 8. Therefore 4 ones are 4 2s are. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಬರಿಬೇಕಂತ ಬರೀ 2 ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು, x is equal to minus 2. Correct? So x is minus 2. So the points on the x-axis are in the form x comma 0. Therefore the points on the x-axis are 8 comma 0, and minus 2 comma 0. Okay. Next example, find the distance between the parallel lines. So first one, 15x plus 8y minus 34 is equal to 0 and 15x plus 8y plus 31 is equal to 0. So parallel lines ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರೂ coefficients of x and y same ಇರ್ತಾವ, they differ only in constant terms. What is C1? Minus 34. What is C2? That is 31. Distance between two parallel lines is given by modulus of C2 minus C1 divided by root of A square plus B square. So capital library, small letter library, no problem. So D is equal to, what is C2 minus C1? 31 minus of minus, that is C2 minus C1, that is 31 minus of minus 34 is plus 34 divided by root of A square plus B square, 15 square plus 8 square. 15 square is 225 and 8 square is 64. So modulus of 65 divided by root of 289, and 289 is a perfect square number whose square root is 17. Therefore 65 divided by 17 units. Okay. So next example, that is L into x plus y plus p is equal to 0. L into x plus y minus r is equal to 0. So first we have to simplify the given equations, bring it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So we'll get the lines as lx plus ly plus p is equal to 0, lx plus ly minus r is equal to 0. Call these equations as 1 and 2, where a is L and b is L. What is C1? P, and what is C2? Minus r. Therefore distance between two parallel lines is given by, that is C2 minus C1 divided by root of A square plus B square. C2 is minus R, C1 is minus P divided by minus R minus P divided by root of A square plus B square is L square plus L square. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus common ತಗೋತೀರಿ. Okay, we'll take minus common. So that if we take minus common, we have R plus P, minus common ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ R plus P divided by root of 2L square. So that is mod of any number. Mod of any number is always positive. So R plus P. Okay, modulus of any real number is R plus P. Okay, divided by root 2 into L. Okay, R plus P ಮತ್ತು L unknown ಅವ ಹೌದಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಮಾಡನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಪಿ ಎಲ್, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್. Okay, so therefore D is equal to modulus of any real number is positive only. Modulus of any real number is positive only. So divided by root 2 into L. So these three variables are unknown. Therefore we'll keep, as a distance is positive quantity, therefore we'll keep it in the modulus form only, root 2 into mod of L. So which is the distance between two parallel lines. Okay, next example, that is find the distance between the lines 3x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. In this equation, in these lines, what is C1? That is C1 is 7, C2 is 5, A is 3, B is minus 4. Write the formula, that is modulus of C2 minus C1 divided by root of A square plus B square, that is D is equal to modulus of 5 minus 7 divided by root of A square plus B square, that is modulus of minus 2 divided by root of 9 plus 16. So mod of any number is always positive divided by 5. Okay, root 25 is 5 units. Next example, find the distance between the lines 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 and 8x minus 6y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so observe the lines here, that is the lines are 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 and 8x minus 6y plus 1 is equal to 0, where the coefficients of x and y in both the lines are not same. We know that in parallel lines the coefficients of x and y are same. They differ only in constant terms, right? ಸೊ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕೊಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್, ದೇ ಫೋರ್ ನೋ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ಬಂದಿರಿ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ರೇಷನನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ ಇನ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುವಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? You can multiply this first line by 2 so that we'll get 8x minus 6y plus 14 is equal to 0, and second line is 8x minus 6y plus 1 is equal to 0, so that the coefficients of x and y in both the lines are same. Or you can divide this line 2 by 2. So 2 in the divide madidre we'll get 4x minus 3y plus 1 by 2, so that the coefficients of x and y in both the lines are same. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಐದರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 2 ಟು ದ ಲೈನ್ 1, ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ 2 ಬೈ 2. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ದ ಕೊಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. So we'll keep that first line as it is, 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0, and we'll divide that second line 2 by 2 here. Second line, that is by 2, so that we'll get 8x by 2 is 4x, minus 6y by 2 is 3y, and plus 1 by 2, which is equation 2 here. So where A is 4 and B is minus 3, C1 is 7 and C2 is 1 by 2. So distance between two parallel lines is given by modulus of C1 minus C2 divided by root of A square plus B square, that is equal to, so modulus of 7 minus 1 by 2 divided by root of 4 square plus minus 3 square. So take the LCM, that is LCM is 2 and multiply. 1 into 2 is 14, 7 into 2 is 14, minus 1 by 2, 14 minus 1 by 2 is 13 by 2, divided by 16 plus root of 16 plus 9. So modulus of 13 by 2 divided by root of 25, 13 by 2 divided by root 25 is 5. So distance is 13 divided by 10. ಹೌದಾ, ಇದು 1 ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಸೊ 13 by 2, 1 ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದ್ರಿ 5, ಸೊ 13 ones are, and 5 into 2 is 10. 13 by 10 units. Next example, find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from the point minus 1 comma 3 to the line 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. So we are going to find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from the point minus 1 comma 3 to the line 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. Perpendicular from the point minus 1 comma 3 to the line 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. This line is, let it be AB. Okay. And what are the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular? This is foot. Okay, let it be M. Okay, what are the coordinates of this foot of the perpendicular? Let the coordinates are h comma k. So we are going to find the value of h and the value of k here. So take point P, that is P is equal to minus 1 comma 3, and call this equation, this line as 1, that is 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. Call this equation as 1. Draw PM perpendicular to the line 1 and take that M as the foot of the perpendicular. Since here that h comma k, this point h comma k lies on the line 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. This point h comma k lies on the line 3x minus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. Correct? This point lie ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಈ line ಮೇಲೆ. So that this point will satisfy this equation, that is 3h minus 4k minus 16 is equal to 0. Okay, Since that point lies on the line 1, therefore that point should satisfy the given line, that is we have 3h minus 4k minus 16 is equal to 0. Call that line as to here. And in the figure, that is the lines PM and AB are perpendicular. Since the lines PM and AB are perpendicular, therefore slope of PM into slope of line AB is equal to minus 1, which is the condition for perpendicular lines, that is M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Since the lines PM and 1 are perpendicular, therefore we have slope of PM into slope of line 1 is equal to minus 1. That is slope of PM into slope of line 1, okay, which is equal to minus 1. What is the slope of PM? We know that slope of a line joining 2 points, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. What is y2 minus y1? K minus 3 y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. H minus of minus 1 is plus 1. And what is the slope of a line? What is the slope of a line? We know that ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Line kottaga, what is its slope? That m is equal to minus a by b. Slope formula, m is given by minus a by b. What is a? 3. What is b? Minus 4. So 3, slope of this line is minus a by b. So this is minus 3 divided by b is minus 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. Which is equal to minus 1. Okay. Therefore, 3 into k minus 3 divided by 4 into h plus 1 is equal to minus 1. 3k minus 9 divided by 4h plus 4 is equal to minus 1. So, 3k minus 9 is equal to minus 1 into 4h plus 1 is minus of 4h plus 4. Minus 1 into 4h plus 4 is 4h plus 4. 3k minus 9 is equal to minus 4h minus 4. Therefore, ಈ h ನ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬಂದದ 3h minus 4k minus 16 equal to 0 ಬಂದದ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು h ಮತ್ತು k ಒಳಗೆ ತಗೋಣಂತ. ಸೊ minus 4h ಅದ ವಿಲ್ ಕೀಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 4h plus 3k minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5, which is equal to 0. That is called this equation as 3. Solving the equations 2 and 3 for h and k. So equation 2 is 3h minus 4k minus 16 is equal to 0, and equation 3 is 4h plus 3k minus 5 is equal to 0. Solving these equations simultaneously for h and k. So you know how to find the how to solve the equations simultaneously. That is multiply this first equation by 4 and second equation by 3. So 4 in the multiply madidre. So this is 4 into 3 is 12, and this is 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12. Cancel ಆಗ್ತವ. So 12h minus 16h minus 64, and this is 12h plus 9h minus 15 is equal to 0. Change the sign. Minus minus plus, so plus 12h minus 12h will get cancelled. Minus 16h minus 9h is minus 25h. Minus 64 plus 15 is minus 49, which is equal to 0. Minus 25k is equal to 49. Therefore k is equal to minus 49 by 25. Substitute this k value in equation 3. Therefore, we get, what is the equation 3? Equation 3 is 4h plus 3k minus 5 is equal to 0. So, equation 3 is 4h plus 3k minus 5 is equal to 0. Substitute the value of k here. Then we get, that is 4h is equal to, ಇದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋತೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 4h plus 3 into k is minus 49 by 25, minus 5 is equal to 0. So that 4h, this is minus 147 by 25 minus 5 is equal to 0. So that 4h is equal to 147 by 25. Right side hodre minus ididu plus ಆಗ್ತದೆ, minus ididu plus ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 4h is equal to, take the LCM, that is 147, and here 1 into 25. 25 into 5 is 125. So 4h is equal to 147 plus 125 is 272 divided by 25. 4 1s are 4 6 are 24, 3 ಉಳಿತು 4 8s are. So 68 by 25. H is 68 by 25. Therefore, foot of the perpendicular is given by h comma k, that is h is 68 by 25 and k is minus 49 by 25, which is the coordinate of the foot of the perpendicular. Okay, so we'll continue the next concept, that is in next class. Thank you.